Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today we're tackling verification code problems. Verification codes are crucial for security, but when they don't work, it can be frustrating. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can prevent codes from being sent or received. Check your spam or junk folder for the verification email. Double-check that you're entering the correct phone number or email address. If you still haven't received the code, request a new one. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help. If all else fails, contact the support team for further assistance. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix your verification code issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.